Hi everyone, welcome to SHRINI Tech Day. Today let's see the tablet and mobile stand model number 709. This is the premium stand with ultra high security, good height and look. Let's see the component comes with it. 1. Magnetic header. 2. Standalone with inbuilt alarm. 3. Sensor cable. 4. Remote. 5. Tools. 6. Power adapter. Let's see it's working. Connect the sensor cable with the stand which is going to display on your tabletop. Fix the header on the tablet or mobile and place it on the stand. When you connect to power, the red light gets on. It indicates that your device is ready. If you connect the tablet or mobile with the sensor cable, the light will turn into blue. Know your device is under security. If anyone removes the cable, the stand will start giving alarm with the volume of 80 decibels. Use the remote to stop the alarm. Coming to its benefits. 1. Flexible to handle for experience the tablet or mobile. 2. If you don't want any lift, with the help of the L and key just tight the screw, now no one can lift it. 3. But can be rotated 360 degrees. Hope you understand the product. For any questions, please call to the number given in the description box. Thank you.